Audio Jungle.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Hensley food review. Today we are trying a place called Jocko's Chicken and Seafood place. They got two locations, one in Fairfield, Ohio, one in Hamilton, Ohio. I got a 4-piece meal, fried chicken with mashed potatoes and macaroni and cheese. I don't know too much about this place. I got the 4-piece all white meat with mashed potato and gravy and macaroni and cheese. I spent $13. Supposed to be a good place, as you all see how golden the chicken is. Let's get into it. Look at the crust, y'all. Got a nice crunch to the crust. The skin on it got a good crunch. Pulls right off. Look how white that is. It's tender, nice and tender. The meat's good. It's a little dry, but not too bad. So yeah, give you a nice side of macaroni, mashed potatoes, and gravy. Let's try this. I think it's instant. Not bad. Nice healthy side macaroni and cheese. Macaroni and cheese is really good. Nice and creamy. There's a biscuit. I'm not a fan of biscuits, guys, but we'll try it out. It's nice and soft. Yeah, not too filled with a biscuit. A little dry for my tasting. I think if it had more seasoning or butter or something on it, it would probably be good. But the seasoning on chicken is great. The crunch of the skin is great. The meat is it's tender, but also a little dry. You know what I mean? Like, could be a little moist, a little moister. I mean, it's not bad. It's good. It comes with a breast, a thigh, a wing, and a leg. A nice size, like I said, mashed potatoes and gravy. A nice size macaroni and cheese. Overall, let's say I'm gonna rate these separate, and then I'll rate it all as one meal. We'll do meal size, like the size of it. For $13, you get a good size portion. Let me show y'all. Like I said, you get 4 pieces of chicken, a biscuit, but you only get one side. And then I just added the macaroni and cheese, so that's what made it $13. Without the macaroni and cheese, it's only $10 or something. That was just one side and the 4 pieces of chicken and the biscuit and a drink. And you add the side and come up 13. So you get a nice size portion for $10. Yeah. So we'll do chicken. I'll rate it from 1 to 9 or 1 to 10. The crunchiness of the skin, I'll give it a 9. The tenderness, I'll give it a 6. I'm gonna have to give it for moist. I'm gonna give it about a 4 because it is kind of dry. But overall on the chicken, I'm gonna say for everything together, we'll give it a solid 8. Mashed potatoes, they're good. I mean, I know they're probably instant potatoes. The amount of it is a 10. The taste and the seasoning of the gravy, the mashed potatoes with the gravy, is a 9. They're not. I don't know. You know how some mashed potatoes can be dried out, but these are actually good. So I'm gonna give it a total 9. A total 9 on the mashed potatoes. Now the macaroni and cheese, the noodles are tender. They're good. The amount of the cheese and the cream on the macaroni and cheese is good. I mean, I don't know how it's made. It might be store-bought in a bag. But overall, on the macaroni and cheese, I'm going to say a 7. Now, we want to get technical all together on the whole entree, the whole meal. I'm going to do a solid 8. Because it is really good. I mean, and I'll leave more description of the place in the bottom, like the location and stuff like that. But I hope y'all enjoyed this episode of Hensley Food Review. And like always, if y'all have any suggestions, please leave it in a comment. I appreciate it. Please hit that like and share button. If you have not joined the channel, please join the channel. With that being said, y'all stay positive and enjoy your life. And as always, stay hungry and satisfied. Peace.